Malaria, one of the world's deadliest diseases, kills hundreds of thousands of people yearly. One bite from an infected mosquito is all it takes. The single-celled parasite is then released into the person's blood, causing sickness. When other mosquitoes bite that person, they too ingest a parasite that then multiplies, infecting them. After 10 days, the infected mosquito bites and infects other humans, continuing an endless cycle. Now, a National Science Foundation-funded team of researchers at the University of Oklahoma has uncovered a protein called FREP1 that allows a parasite to infect the mosquito. Team leader Dr. June Lee says identifying this protein is a significant step in working towards ways of reducing or even eliminating malaria. High drama is playing out on a very small scale in the frigid waters off Antarctica. Researchers have discovered a three-way battle over natural resources such as vitamin B12, a precious and scarce commodity in the Southern Ocean. Phytoplankton, which need vitamin B12 to survive, help to form the base of the marine food web by turning sunlight into food sources. An NSF-funded research team found two types of microbes that rely on phytoplankton for food and B12 to survive in the remote waters of McMurdo Sound, competing for the resources, leaving a particular type of phytoplankton called diatoms starving for iron and B12. Flying aboard helicopters based at McMurdo Station, Antarctica, the team ventured out to the edge of the sea ice in McMurdo Sound to collect water samples. They then performed experiments on the water at the Albert P. Crary Science and Engineering Center at McMurdo Station. The team says this new understanding of the microbial interactions in the polar ocean will help them predict how these relationships might change in the future. This research was a collaborative effort including Scripps Institution of Oceanography and the J. Craig Venter Institute. Demand for mobile data service is expected to grow by 1,000% in the next 5 years, meaning more wireless spectrum is needed. Signals in the UHF band carry for miles and are not blocked by trees or buildings, making the UHF band prime real estate for wireless data transmission. But in most dense urban areas where the need for more wireless capability is greatest, most of the UHF band is claimed for TV channels. NSF-funded Rice University researcher Edward Knightley has developed Wi-Fi inactive TV channels, or WATCH. The WATCH system actively monitors for a UHF TV channel that is not being watched nearby and uses sophisticated signal canceling techniques to insert wireless data transmissions into the same channel. At the same time, the system also makes certain that data transmissions do not interfere with TV reception. The team thinks technology like WATCH will become increasingly important as the future demand for wireless data services increases and the number of broadcast TV viewers decreases. Advanced technologies have brought text from a 1,500-year-old scroll back to life. The badly burned scroll was discovered in 1970 inside the Holy Ark of the Synagogue at Ein Gedi in Israel. While the scroll is too fragile to be unwrapped, NSF-funded researcher Brent Seals from the University of Kentucky worked closely with the Israel Antiquities Authority, IAA, and obtained a state-of-the-art tomographic scan. This scan was the basis for Seals' team to complete the last step in revealing the long-lost text. The team virtually sliced pieces of actual scroll to unwrap it. A special software prototype then created a 3D flat surface of the text. The page, buried deep within the many wraps of the scroll, turns out to be the first 8 verses of the book Leviticus. Virtual unwrapping was a collaborative effort among the University of Kentucky's Computer Science Department and the College of Engineering, Brigham Young University, the Creative Group, and IAA's Penina Shore. For more information about these stories, visit us at nsf.gov. This is NSF Science Now. I'm Dina Headley.